countdown to Halloween continues, and if you're looking for fun, safe ways to celebrate Halloween, we've got some great ideas for you. Please welcome back to the show, Amy Goodman.
Hello, so great to see you.
Let's get into it. Where should we start?
Yeah, we're going to start with contactless trick-or-treating you can do in your own home. So we have your Drain a Dracula and Jolt a Frankenstein. You cover cups using things you have at home with the tissue paper. You put in your fun retro candies for you, which I thought is super fun for adults, and little toys, which we have for kids here. You pack it into your cup, you cover it with some tissue paper, you secure that with a rubber band, and then you jolt the Frankenstein, and kids can individually get their little treats out. I have some tattoos here.
Oh, cute.
So it's a great way for kids to come up one by one. I like the retro candies for adults.
Yeah, so I mean, it's the best.
Really?
What's next?
So we have the Halloween version of Truth or Dare. This is called Truth or Scare. So as a host, you fill these out in advance, and you can ask each other questions when they come in. What's the scariest moment of your life? Or play dead. There you go. Until your next turn. So that's really fun.
And then I don't know what this is. So this is like an adult. This is adult Halloween.
Yes, I know we've got the costumes in mind. Definitely.
We're
going to make some rice tossers out of dried rice in balloons. We use the funnel for this, right? And you can put any design you want with your white paint pen. You can do a skeleton, a ghost, anything you like. And we're going to throw these. If you'll, grab your fun little rice tossers into my hungry scaredy cat.
This is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
He's super starving. I just spray painted it with some black paint. You can add eyes and ears and whiskers with anything you might have. And you can throw him into the scaredy cat.
Once again, I'm terrible at cornhole, even if it's pumpkin hole.
More ideas when we come back. We'll be right back. Okay, Amy, let's start with the sticks.
Yeah. Instead of bobbing for apples, who actually came up with bobbing for apples?
It's so dirty and gross.
You know,
like
Bob.
a germ festival.
Bob.
We are going to do fishing for apples. Thank you for loving my fishing stick.
Yes, these are good fishing sticks.
From my backyard, string with a very safe hook, nice and soft and rounded for the kiddos. So when they swing it around like that, they're not going to poke out somebody's eye. I added some string to the apple stick, and we're going to go fishing for apples. And the goal of this game is to have a competition, because I know you guys aren't competitive at all. To go ahead and get as many apples out as you can. This is such a challenge, right?
Okay, well this will take us till Friday.
Right. That's the idea. Games that have longevity and last using things out of your own backyard.
We keep braiding our string. All right, what's next?
Next up is we have
Ellie will be there the rest of the show.
Give the Witch Her Broom. This is a version of Pin the Tail on the Donkey, because I always felt really sorry for the donkeys anyway. And we're going to get that nice kind of use nice thick paper for your broom. And right behind you, you actually have that silhouette of the witch posted up. So if you'll be so kind as to close your eyes.
So determined.
We have a winner.
Okay.
Excellent.
Good job.
So behind you, you have the silhouette of the witch. You could actually do this. You could draw a witch on a piece of cardboard if you want. And if you'll be so kind as to close your eyes, Mr. Seacrest.
And I go pin it?
aim and go pin the broom onto your witch. He's doing this with tremendous honesty, as I can see. And he uses
Well, it's not sticky.
the non-tape side. Yes, the non-tape side. Okay. Lastly, we have the candy corn catchers. My son uses these for his tennis game, but don't take them off the street. Buy some of your own. And you can spray paint it on the top with some white and some yellow. I see a lot of different things happening here. But I'm going to be good. I'm going to be good. And we're going to catch the candy in the cone. Ready?
Okay, ready.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, and...
Why am I back?
For all of these ideas and more, go to our website, kellyandryan.com. Up next, our spectacular Halloween house finalists will be right back.
Live will return in a moment.